Hello there, wonderful viewers! Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Pinterest pictures not showing. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. So, if you open the Pinterest app and the pictures and videos won't load and you are frustrated by it, then there are a couple of solutions to this problem. The first one is to check your internet connection. If your internet is bad or unstable, then that may be the reason why the pictures aren't showing. So what you want to do is to make sure that your connection is fast and stable. If you use mobile data, then you want to switch to a Wi-Fi connection if you can. But if you are on Wi-Fi, then find a faster network or reconnect to a current one. But if your internet is good, then we may have a problem with the app cache for this. Open up your Pinterest app and go to your profile, then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and now tap on the settings button right here. Once you are on your Pinterest settings page, go to privacy and data option right here. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see a clear app cache button. Click on that, and we will clear the cache in our Pinterest app. If you have a lot of cache in the app and you haven't cleared it in a while, it can cause slower loading times and other problems. So you have to clear the Pinterest cache from time to time. This should fix your issue, but if you still have the problem, then the next solution for you is to delete the Pinterest app on your device, and then reinstall it by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. Reinstalling the app will give it a fresh new install, and it will get rid of some bugs or unnecessary data that the app may have, and after this you shouldn't have a problem anymore. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.